Hello, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I am here to show you how to make some strawberry cheesecake cupcakes. This is a very beginner friendly recipe and easy for anyone to follow along. So, first, we're going to cream together our cream cheese and our sugar until it's nice and creamy. Then we're going to add in some sour cream, some vanilla extract, and an egg. Also, add in a tablespoon of flour. Cream it up until it is smooth and set aside. Next, we are using a box of Pillsbury strawberry cake mix, and I added in some 2 tablespoons of strawberry jello. I used half a cup of milk and half a cup of sour cream to get moist cupcakes. And I added in 4 eggs instead of the recommended 3. You can either add oil or you can add butter. And I used oil this time. And you can use strawberry extract and just a little bit of pink food coloring to get a darker color. And we're going to mix that up until nice and smooth. And then we're going to set that aside. The next thing you're going to do is line and fill your cupcake liners. I filled them 1/3 of the way. And I added maybe a tablespoon or 2 of our cheesecake mixture and swirled it around. We bake in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. And they should come out looking nice and pretty. Next, you can use a blender to do this, but I just smashed up some strawberries with some cornstarch and made a strawberry filling for the inside of the cupcakes. Now we're going to add 2 sticks of butter and 2 cups of powdered sugar and blend that until nice and creamy. I added in vanilla extract, but you can add in strawberry if you want even more strawberry flavor. And you're going to mix that for maybe 10 minutes or so to get a nice and fluffy buttercream. I didn't have my Wilton's 2M tip, but you can use that as well as fill your piping bag up to get ready to pipe the cupcakes. Now here you can see I was struggling because this is not one of my favorite piping bags. So I improvised and then use a tip ultimately. But then we're going to slice some fresh strawberries and place on top of our cupcakes, as well as some of that strawberry filling that we had left over. And then to make it even more pretty, I added store-bought slice of cheesecake. You can either make your own or ultimately omit it. But these came out so good. And if you like this, like and subscribe.